3, 2, 1, go! Cool! Hello everyone, I'm Elie. Today we're going to use special material to make slime. I'm going to use this powder. And what's it? Follow me. Huh? Glow in the dark. Oh my god, it's glow in the dark. Cool. So guys, now let's make our slime. This is our material. No toxic clear glue, borax, and water. Glow in the dark powder. And this is really simple material. If you guys cannot get any borax powder, you guys can try with detergent. Let's do it now. For each bowl, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of glue. Two tablespoons of water. Now stir it. So now let's try glow in the dark powder. So now guys, let's make borax water. Now add borax water. Ooh! Now it's a little bit sticky. Okay, now our slime is done. Just add a little bit, and if you guys just keep stirring and add a little bit in one time. Otherwise, your slime will like a bouncing ball and very fragile to break as a pieces. Now I'm going to add baby lotion inside for smell and not stick on your hand. Look the shiny effect. It looks like the same color here, but it will change totally different when it's glow in the dark. So let's go. So now we are in the dark room, and then we're going to charge these 2 glow in the dark slime and see what it happen in the dark. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Cool! So guys, which color you like? For me, I prefer this blue because it looks so amazing. This green is good. There is some shiny powder still inside the slime, but it's okay. It has really good effect. So now I mix 2 colors, and let's see the result. It should be really beautiful. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Really cute. It's really cute. Guys, this glass looks white, but when you glow in the dark, it will be really beautiful, really beautiful. Cool. So guys, there's our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and click the like button and leave some comment. Let me know what you think about this video and click the red button to subscribe. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.